Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I got these beautiful passion twists. You'll need a rat tail comb, a crochet needle, rubber bands, some clips, and passion twist hair. I got this off of Amazon. I only used one pack. I will leave the link in the description box. For my products, I use Shine and Jam. This is my favorite, but you can pick any that works for you. And then for my moisturizer, I use Donna's Recipe from Tabitha Brown. Here, my hair is blown out. It doesn't have to be super straight because you want a little kink in your hair so that your passion twist will last longer. And now I'm just going to start parting. Honestly, I just part my hair the best I can. I don't try to make it super perfect. I do take my time and try to get the lines as straight as possible. As you can see, I'm just braiding off each section as I go to make it a little easier for myself. If you have someone that can part your hair for you, it makes it so much easier. But using a second mirror helps me get my parts as straight as possible. For these passion twists, I didn't want them super small, so that's why I'm making my sections a little big. And I'm just going to take some Shine and Jam and put it on my roots. I don't like to add too much gel to my scalp because it causes product buildup, and I'm also not leaving these twisting for a long time, so I'm okay with the little frizz. And then you're just going to take your rubber band and wrap it around a few times. Don't put it super tight because you're going to have to get your crochet needle through it. I'm just making sure that my hair looks decent as far as the parts. Now when it comes to the front of my hair, I do like to take my time and do a little extra work on making sure the parts are straight just because it's just the front of my hair. I wanted it to look as uniform as possible. Now the front of my hair did take a little longer, so we're just going to speed it on up. I know the rubber band method isn't ideal for everyone, but this just works for me and it makes it super easy. This also helps me avoid my hair from slipping out of the crochet twist. Okay, I'm finally done parting. I took a nap, so this is a few hours later. It's nighttime now, and I'm just going to take the hair out of the pack. It comes pretty well packaged. I've never had an issue with this hair. I've ordered it multiple times. You can leave the crochet twists as twisted because they come twisted already, but I like to unravel the twists. I don't fluff it out a lot like you would with regular braiding hair, but I do like to play with it just a little bit so it's kind of fluffy and I get those thick twists. You always want to check and make sure how long it is before you start twisting. Now you just want to take the crochet needle and put it through your hair. Make sure the latch is down when you're putting it through. You're going to hook the hair onto the needle, close the latch, and pull it through. Now when you pull it through, make sure that you're holding on to one end of the crochet hair. I always try to grab the loop of the hair and pull the other end through. As you can see, I'm trying to make sure that my hair isn't getting caught. I'm just going to take a little more gel and put it throughout my hair to avoid immediate frizz. This style isn't made to last more than, I would say, 2 to 3 weeks. And when you're twisting your hair, make sure you're twisting it in the opposite direction of what you normally would do for 2-strand twists. Because I noticed when I would twist it as if I'm doing my 2-strand twist, it wouldn't come out as plump as I wanted it to. So yeah, you're just going to make sure that you are aware of which way you're twisting your hair. I want to say this style takes me anywhere between probably 5 to 8 hours, depending on how fast I'm going and how long it takes me to actually part my hair. The parting usually takes me a good 30 minutes. When I crochet the front of my hair, I always take my time just because it's the front of my hair and I need my edges. And like I said before, make sure you grab that loop and hold on to one end of the crochet hair as you're pulling out the other end. And putting gel on your hair makes it so much easier to blend with the crochet hair. You really can't avoid frizz with this style, so after a week or two, you really just have to embrace the frizz. Yeah, I was so tired and just ready to go to sleep. I think you can see it all on my face. I'm just over it and ready to be done. Okay, we are all done. I did add some mousse to my hair from root to tip. And if I have time, I'd usually sit under the dryer, but I was just ready to go to sleep. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.